In this episode, we are coming back to the integrated heat lamp exhaust fan. We are trying to quantify how much air is losing through this design. Let's have a deep dive. In here, we have a setup of a dual heat lamp integrated unit, which has the exhaust air slot and is currently turned on with the LED light shining in the middle. We are first going to measure how much air this fan is extracting from the roof using this Retrotech duct tester. What I'm trying to do is to zero the pressure inside this duct, measured by a pitot tube, and how much airflow required to balance the pressure is the flow from the fan. Okay, now we got the measurement of 39 liters per second when there's no restriction on the fan side, which is a pretty good number because the regulatory requirement is only 25 liters per second. However, this is what the fan manufacturer will tell you how much the fan can extract. And it's true, the fan is moving 39 liters per second, but how much is actually moving from your bathroom? Let's use a flow hood to measure. After balancing for the restriction from this measuring unit, it got a powered fan inside the unit to balance the pressure. The measurement is 23.9 liters. This is just short of the National Construction Code requirement, but I would say it's not too bad. However, if you remember the previous number, there is roughly 17 to 16 liters is missing. Where does the air gone? Let us get up inside the attic space to have a look why we got the missing 16 liters per second. If we have a look at the unit, we got a lot of these ventilation slots. They are required to be there because we got the heat lamp. If we don't have any ventilation, there is a fire risk for overheating from the heat lamp. And if I put some tracer smoke, you can see it got sucked directly into these ventilation slots, which means almost 35–40% of your fan capacity is actually sucking air from your attic space and exhaust to outside. And this is only true when you got a free flow, no restriction for the makeup air coming into your bathroom. However, in most cases, if you only got a tiny undercut to your bathroom door and you don't open a window when you are showering, you may not have enough makeup air, which create more pressure difference to drive the fan to suck even more air from the attic space to the outside. And that's why we are not a big fan of this kind of heat lamp integrated exhaust fan. And we also introduced the kill vent to provide a proper relief path to reduce the pressure difference when the exhaust fan is running.